Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download Bubblecast on Android. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your Google Play Store, and then once you're there, on the top on the search bar type in Bubblecast. Now once you do that, look for the app icon like this on your search list, and all you gotta do is just simply tap on it. And now on tapping there, you'll find the option that says install. All you gotta do is simply tap on that install and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully download the app. Now once you have downloaded the app, all you gotta do is tap on open and then experience the game. You can play the game for obtaining high scores, creating fast time for time bonuses, using bank shots and trick shots to get more and more points, which can later be useful for you to cash out. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.